This tutorial is going to show how to comment on a discussion in Canvas. So if we're starting out on the dashboard, we click on our course. Now we're looking at our dashboard. Over here to the left, we're going to see these different tabs. And we're going to click on the discussion tab. Once we're there, you notice, and this is helpful, there's some pinned discussions which have been pinned so that they will always show up on the top. Then there's also discussions that we could choose from and talk about. We, for our purposes, are going to get some tech support. So we click on tech support and we can post here if we have problems. So we're going to click on reply and then we can type a post. We could type something like, I'm not sure how to show cursor on screencast. And then we could post reply. I'm not going to post it, but we could. And that is how you make a comment in a discussion.